Hi everyone and welcome to channel Ankit Food for Thought. Today we are going to make a special Independence Day recipe. Hope you will enjoy it. Now we are going to have food facts. So here I am using the main ingredients as onion, capsicum, radish and middle cheese. So I am going to tell you the food facts regarding that. Number 1 is onion. It is loaded with antioxidants, contain cancer-fighting compounds, helps control blood sugar, have antibacterial properties. Second is capsicum. It is source of vitamin A and C and source of dietary fiber, vitamin E, B6 and folate. Radish benefits. It is source of vitamin E, A, C, B6 and K. It is high on antioxidants, fiber, zinc, potassium, calcium. Middle seeds. These are high in omega-3. Ingredients. So here we will be using onion paste, rice flour, carrot which is blanched and grinded, cheese slices, then again we have capsicum which is grinded and blended and blanched, and we have salt as per taste, semolina, mixed herbs and black pepper. Now we are going to make onion paste. So I'm adding half teaspoon of oil and onion which I have chopped. So we just need to stir fry it for just a little bit of time. Note it should not be brown in color, it should be just white in color. So we have to, then we will grind it. Now we are making finally onion paste. For that I am using the half bowl of milk. Now I am adding onion paste which we have grinded in it, and we are going to cook it for some time. I am also adding black pepper to it and pinch of salt. I have already added the pinch of salt in the onion paste. Now the final ingredient, which is cheese slice. So I am using half cheese slice in this. You can use more depending upon your material. So when it melts, it will form a good mixture and we will use it for our further process. So please check the consistency. You can see it is thickened, and now we are going to transfer it to a bowl and we will let it cool for some time. Now we are going to make batter for onion dosa. So we have prepared onion sauce. Now I am going to add this into the mixture, which contains 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 tablespoon of semolina. Now I'm going to add this. And I'm going to mix this. Make it a smooth batter, neither too thick nor too thin. So now we are making carrot batter. So in this I have used carrot sauce which I have prepared by blanching and grinding the carrot and adding some water in it. I have also used 1/4 teaspoon of honey in this. Now I am going to add this into the batter. I will be mixing it. So for this also the consistency needs to be just like not too thin, not too thick. So I will finally tell you how it will look like. So consistency looks like this. You can check. Green dosa batter. So for that I am using 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of semolina and capsicum mixture which is blanched and grinded, and I have also used some salt and water in it. I am going to add this mixture to it. I am adding mixed herbs to it. to enhance the flavor. Now I am mixing this, and you can check the consistency. It is just like this. Now I am going to make carrot dosa. So for that I have greased the pan with olive oil, which I have used 1 teaspoon over here. Now I am going to add the batter to it. Now I am making capsicum green dosa. For that I am adding the batter into the pan, in which I have already added 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So I am adding the batter. Now I am going to make onion cheese dosa. For that I have already added 1 teaspoon of olive oil. Now I am going to add the batter into it. So this is the carrot dosa which I have prepared. Now I am adding fig sauce as a stuffing in it. Please refer to my previous videos for fig sauce. So you can see we are just adding a little bit of fig sauce in it. This is the white cream onion dosa. So for plating I am using Amul cheese, and I am just adding a little bit of chili flakes on the top of it, and this is used as a stuffing for it. Now I am going to pack it. This is the green capsicum dosa. Now I am adding aloo bhujia as a filling in it. I am also adding a little bit of milled linseed with goji berries, sunflower and pumpkin seeds. So you can use as an alternative milled flax seeds or something if you don't have these. So this is very healthy. Presentation. So for plating I have used these 3 dosas which are already filled, and I have told you about the filling. I have represented this as mayonnaise sauce, these are olives, and I have used cranberries and fig sauce over here. Food for thought. This recipe is specially made on occasion of Independence Day. The Tricolour Dosa is an inspiration from Indian flag. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. Now a quick recap. So here we are using main ingredients as rice flour, semolina, carrot paste, green capsicum paste, cheese slices, onion paste, salt and mixed herb. So number 1 is ingredients for onion batter. So here we are using onion paste, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon semolina, cheese onion paste preparation. First saute the onion in olive oil, grind it and make a paste. Now take half bowl milk, add onion paste, salt, black pepper, half cheese slice, boil it for 2 minutes, and this is ready. Capsicum paste. Blanch capsicum, then grind it and add a little of water. Capsicum dosa. Add capsicum paste, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 tablespoon semolina and water, and make a batter. Heat the pan, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, add batter and make dosa. Preparation of radish paste. Blanch radish, then grind it and add water. Preparation of radish dosa. Add radish paste, 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of semolina and water. Use this batter to make dosa. Heat the pan, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and add batter and make dosa. Now the 3 dosas are ready. We are just adding the fillings in it. In radish dosa we added fig sauce as filling. In cheese onion dosa we added cheese slice and chili flakes as fillings. In green capsicum dosa we used aloo bhujia, milled linseeds with goji berries, sunflower and pumpkin seeds as filling. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.